Hey guys, John Deere John, and today we are talking compact utility tractor packages here at Riesterer Schnell. What we're showing off today is our Property King package. So this is a 2032R tractor. It's going to come with a front loader and bucket and ballast box in the back, and then a 60D drive-over AutoConnect mower deck. The common customer for this package here is definitely one who wants those finer things in life. This one's got that auto throttle, having that engine rev up all by itself when you press in the pedal, having that command cut for the mower deck, being able to lift that mower deck independently of your rear 3-point and other attachments, and being able to dial that in just perfect. Acreage wise, normally these customers have a little bit larger acreage for that mower deck. They got that big 60-inch mower deck underneath. We're looking for those wide open spaces, but the versatility of a compact utility tractor over that of, let's say, a zero-turn mower. If you're interested in this package or any others here at Riesterer Schnell, stop into any one of our 14 locations and talk to a sales rep today.